For centuries, fishing has been an art of patience, skill, and a little bit of luck. But what if technology could take your fishing experience to the next level? Introducing the QYSEA FIFISH series, advanced underwater drones designed to revolutionize the way you fish. With cutting-edge sonar, high-definition cameras, and real-time monitoring, QYSEA drones give you an unparalleled view of the underwater world. No more guesswork, now you can see exactly where the fish are. Use the live feed to pinpoint your target species, track their movement, and adjust your bait or lure accordingly. Fishing has never been this precise. With QYSEA, you can fish smarter, not harder. Whether you're a sport angler, a commercial fisherman, or just someone who loves the thrill of the catch, our drones give you a competitive edge. Beyond fishing, QYSEA drones are perfect for marine research, underwater inspections, and even environmental conservation. Track fish populations, monitor ocean health, and explore the deep like never before. Equipped with AI-powered fish recognition, the QYSEA drone helps identify species instantly, ensuring sustainable fishing practices and informed decision-making on the water. With optional robotic arms and advanced attachments, QYSEA drones can do more than just observe. They can interact with the underwater world. Enhance your fishing adventures and explore the ocean like never before. Experience the future of fishing with QYSEA underwater drones. QYSEA, where innovation meets the sea. Visit our website to learn more.